Hello, and welcome to this video on prepayment of expenses when an expense goes past the year end. Going to work our way through an example now. We've got XYZ Limited has an insurance policy that costs £1,200 per year, is paid in advance on the 1st of October each year. That means it runs from the 1st of October one year to the 30th of September the following year. The company's financial year ends on the 31st of December. We've got to calculate the amount of the prepayment of the insurance expense that should be recorded in the financial statements for the year ending the 31st of December 2024. Right, it's a four-stage method to follow for this one. So number one, determine the total annual cost of the insurance policy. 2, calculate the monthly cost of the insurance policy. 3, identify the number of months that fall into the next financial year. And 4, calculate the prepayment amount to be recorded. So let's work our way through those. So solution number one, total cost of the insurance policy. If we go back to the question, that was £1,200. I've just mentioned here, a little note, it runs from the 1st of October to the 30th of September each year. So October one year to the end of September the following year. The monthly cost of the insurance policy, well, that's going to be the annual cost of £1,200 divided by 12 because there are 12 months in the year. And then £1,200 divided by 12 gives us £100. That's the monthly insurance premium now, monthly insurance cost. Now, the number of months that fall into the next financial year. So remember, our year ends at the 31st of December, but the insurance policy goes up to the following September. So the number of months in the next financial year are January to September, and that's 9 months. So the prepayment amount to be recorded, it's 9 months, and the amount per month is £100. So the prepayment then is going to be £900. Now, the prepayment of £900, let's put it into the solution at the bottom then. Is deducted from the insurance expense in the income statement. And then, in our statement of financial position, the prepayment of £900 is added to the prepayment of expenses in the current assets section of the statement of financial position. So that's a short video here on prepayment of expenses when expense goes past the year end. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much then. Bye-bye.